Good morning, students. I am Sanjeev Kumar Jha. Welcome to my YouTube channel Alpha Plus Education. Here we will learn class 6 mathematics. So before starting the chapters, we should know what is the syllabus of mathematics. So what will we learn in class 6 mathematics as per NCERT class 6 book. So let us start about the contents, total number of chapters. What were the total number of chapters in class 5th? Do you remember? In class 4, in class 3? Yes, it was 14. So again, in class 6, we have 14 chapters. Okay, chapter can be broadly classified into 4 parts. Mathematics has several branches. So depending upon that branch, we have classified the chapters of mathematics in 4 major branches in class 6. So what are the branches? Arithmetic, geometry and mensuration, algebra and data handling. So let us see what are the chapters comes under these head. Arithmetic. What is arithmetic? So arithmetic is a branch of mathematics in which we study about the numbers, their properties and their basic operations on them. And what are the basic operations? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what are the chapters in this heading? Chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Chapter number 2, whole numbers. Chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Chapter number 6, integers. Chapter number 7, fractions. Chapter number 8, decimals. And the last chapter is chapter number 12, ratio and proportions. Okay. So, except chapter number 12, ratio and proportion, you are familiar with other chapters. You know the number, you know the whole number, may not be by the category, but you identify the whole numbers. You have done several activities with numbers. You know the integers, maybe with different names. Fractions, very well known. Decimals, you know. And slightly new thing is ratio and proportion. We will learn in this chapter. Geometry and mensuration. What is geometry and mensuration? Geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we will deal with lines, shapes, curves. The word is meant by geo plus metry. Geo means earth, metry means measurement. So basically in geometry we learn about measurement of earth. Okay, and how do we measure the earth? With the lines, with the point, with the shape. Shapes are triangle, rectangle, quadrilateral and curves. So with this help we study about the earth. So geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we learn about how to measure the different components of earth. And mensuration is measuring length, area, volume, etc. So the chapters in these headings are chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. We have chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes. Chapter number 10, mensuration. So basic geometrical idea and understanding elementary shapes, we have some familiarity with this. In third to onward, we have learned about this. So that will be helpful for you. In mensuration, we have calculated area, we have calculated volume, we have calculated the length of rectangle if area is given like that. So this is just something in addition but not entirely new. Chapter number 13, symmetry, about the practical geometry. Some practical geometry will be there. Now data handling. What is data handling? In the process of research or some kind of this, survey, we get data, but the data has no meaning until unless we do not just put this in the some table or in graph or in some way so that it will be infer meaningful information. It gives us meaningful information. So we will have data, we will have to use that data to get meaningful information. We have done one chapter related to that, smart chart, in third, in fourth, in fifth. So it is extension of that chapters, nothing new. Chapter 9, data handling, only one chapter in this heading. And the next is algebra. What is algebra? Up to now we have dealt with the numbers 1, 2, 5, 1000, 100. But in algebra we just symbolize the things. We symbolize with letters and other symbols, and then we use the properties of that. So We have one chapter related to that, that is chapter number 11, algebra. So this is all about the syllabus of class 6 mathematics. We will learn different chapters in subsequent video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.